Welcome to Voice Bootcamp, a global name in collaboration and context centered training. Hello, my name is Faisal Khan. I'm the Cisco and Genesys Cloud instructor at Voice Bootcamp. In this series of Genesys Cloud's API Self Study Kit, we're going to focus on the Analytics API. After completing this course, you should be able to explain the overview about the Analytics API, describe the interaction and conversation data, understand the quality management and evaluation of his data, explain the user status data, as well as discuss how to initiate query syntax. The analytics platform, which is, of course, the core foundation of every contact center, that allows you to make a decision that directly impact the customer experience. Think about the analytics dashboard or analytics platform, rather, reporting and a dashboard, performance dashboard that allows your team to get an overview about the concepts of how it is working, or what is the health of your interaction with the customers. Genesys Cloud CX conversation, a CX conversation API basic endpoint enables you to access all the information about your contact center based on the time and date. For example, you can get information regarding the call detail recording. You can collect aggregate metrics. You can initiate or observe various metrics throughout your platform. The requested data can be both in a real time or historical. See, most analytics and reporting tools will always carry the real time data or reports as well as the historical report. Now you can get details as conversation data, queue data, user data, and so on so. Now, there are variety of endpoints that share some common concept and syntax. But what sets each of them apart are the more contextualized and curated views of each one that offers. Now, common real-time requirement of a context center. What is the requirement of a context center when it comes to real time? Like, what is considered to be real time? Well, first of all, the real-time requirement that are common to any contact centers are complete interaction details of contact center for the past week, number of interactions with no more than 15 minutes of interaction time, number of interactions waiting in a